The Filipino version of the bloody incident of Cavite in 1872 was written by Dr. T. H. Pardo de Tavera, a Filipino scholar, scientist, and historical researcher. According to him, this incident was merely a mutiny by the native Filipino soldier and laborers of the Cavite arsenal against the harsh policy of despotic government and Captain General Rafael de Izquierdo in 1871 to 1873, which abolished their long-standing privilege of exemption from paying the annual tribute from rendering the polo forced labor. The loss of this privilege was naturally resented by soldiers and laborers. Some of them, impelled by volcanic wrath, rose in arms on the night of January 20, 1872, and killed the commanding officers of the Cavite Arsenal and other officers. This was easily supposed by the Spanish troops who were rushed from Manila. This turbulent Cavite incident, which was magnified the Spanish official and friars into a revolt for Philippine independence, is narrated by Pardo de Tavera as follows. The arrival of General Izquierdo in 1871 to 1873 was the signal for the complete change in the aspect of affairs. The new governor soon made it clear that his views were different from those of La Torre, that there will not be change in the established form of government, and he once announced that he intended to govern the people with a crucifix in the one hand and sword in the other. His first official act was to prohibit the founding, founding of a school of art and trades, which was being organized by the efforts and funds raised by natives and natives standing in community. However, the founding of the school did not align with the view of the religious orders. The governor Izquierdo believed that establishment of the new school was merely a pretext for organizing a political club, and he not only refused to allow it open but also made a public statement accusing Filipinos who had who had been involved in the movement